the side side, we have a lot of shirt hangers and that much for pants hanger. And we got a lot of clothes to be washed. I'm gonna be showing you how to put a shirt on a hanger the easy way. And right here, I have a shirt. Now, before you put it and you're gonna put the hanger in the shirt, I like to do is I like to just shake it, kind of get rid of, make it straighter, you know. See how it looks? Do it both sides. And there you go. And it will move the rest once you hang it in the closet. So now you just find your hanger. It has to be the same color, but it can be whatever color. I just use a black one because it's a black shirt, so why not? You basically go open it, go hold this, put it in. You can also do it when you're holding it up, but I like to do when it's on the bed because it's flat. I can easily put it in and stuff. Once you do that, it's on. Right there, you have your shirt on the hanger. With that, you just put it on the rack, closet, whatever y'all put your shirts and other clothes. There, nice and perfect. I don't know how that's done, but yeah, why not? If you want to see now, I'm gonna show you next on how to hang a pants using those now. All right, we got a pants now. Now, pants are a lot different, but you grab your hanger from your choice. Make sure it does this. That's different because now it's longer, and it has these two things where you press. It's like it clamps it on. So you could do this when you hold it or put it down on the flat area. I prefer flat area because you're gonna easily get it on there, and then just basically hold it, push it on, maybe scoot a little bit so it's like a little bit like in the middle. Same with the other side, and then once you're done, you got it. For this one, I'll have to hold the camera on my phone to show you, but now, poof. There you go, chat. That's how it's supposed to look. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, I want go ahead and subscribe, like, comment below, and let me know what you think of this, because this is good. If some people don't know how to do this. I know some people shit on automatically know, but you know, they don't know how to put pants and use one of these. Or one of these hangers and put their shirt on, which this is automatically common sense. You see these? So, yeah. I'm gonna see you on the next time I post and upload. I don't know, as you can see, but I'm gonna go and do this laundry. And yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Peace out. See y'all later and have a good time. Alright.